Hello friends, have a good day. So friends, I am showing today's $50 notified bonuses Emarmarket new clients $50 USD dollars. So I am now showing this promotional website to under these brokers on promotional type offers and campaigns to notified $50 campaign starts live trading account without financial condition. The promotion offers new eligible traders to test trading services and which brokers credited 50 USDT bonus to register your account automatically. Drive to live market and comfortable live accounts. On notified bonus account, how to receive on notified bonus account. Registered a new clients and verify traders identity address and get a welcome bonus 50 USDTs notified bonus. But friends, some condition in this broker I am watching and still encouraging, and I am full investigate to this broker available for notified bonus. But this is a not notified bonus. This is a welcome bonus for depositors. But trying some countries available and $50 welcome bonus without deposited. But some countries you deposited $20 and receive $70 total or equity on your margin. This $50 are supporting on your margin on all your equity. But minimum, how to minimum deposited this brokers to I am now showing to minimum deposited $1 leverage. Minimum deposited $1 leverage up to 1.300. To friends, noted this point 1.300 leverage, almost on related FDS. Spreads starting from 0 pips. Up the commission to up 12. Personal account manager, yes. To Forex, this brokers active traders 546, and total people joins. And this broker is new regulated, but clients available and you trading of Forex, stocks, crypto, index, and commodities, and zero cost of account allow fellow traders to enjoy amazing spreads and offers. And friends, this broker is actually amazing broker. I am 2 days joining and I am 2 days fully working, but my recommendation is fully authenticated and very impressive of this broker. Thanks for watching.